thing you mentioned is all these different cars. You're jumping in and out of different tracks. People have told me, I get comfortable with my car. I can't jump into another car. So what advice would you have for someone that is lucky enough to get the opportunity to jump in a couple different cars? How do you learn? How do you adapt?
How do you process that?
Mm-hmm.
Well, if we back into the Pirelli, remember all the feeling stuff, right? It's I always tell people, the car is great, right? But you're not really driving the limit of the car. You're driving the limit of a tire.
Mm.
So I think really quickly you got to kind of figure out what the power is on the car, which relates to how much steering input you're going to have when you pick up throttle. How much brakes does the car have? Is it a momentum car? Are you able to carry more roll speed in? If you start with those basics, you'll start learning the car really, really quickly.